Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carla. So today I'm doing an unboxing video and I am really excited about this unboxing. These shoes, usually I don't like hop on trendy shoes right away. Like I have to settle, I have to like observe it, look at it, but I've already been a fan of the whole platform trend going on. So when I saw these, I couldn't help myself. I couldn't resist. But anyways, I'm gonna get right into what I purchased. And I went ahead and bought the Valentino Tango platform heels. So I did opt for the cream color. I really wanted, honestly, all of the colors I really liked. I really liked the orange, I like the pink, but I already have pink shoes, and the orange, I have an orange shoe, but it's not the same shade of orange. And I just went with these because I felt like I could get more wear out of them, seeing that they're more of a neutral color. Not like I have a problem with mixing colors, because I will wear anything with anything as long as it looks good, okay? But I just thought that I would get more wear out of these without any work or struggle. So I did get this in my usual size, a size 40. And honestly, I think I probably could have went down a half size. I did have a bit of room down here, but I don't know if it's because of the steep incline that it forced my foot down, that I ended up with a little bit more space here. But like I said, I did get this in my usual size. I got these, guess how much I got these for? That's what I'm really excited about, is how much I got them for. Okay, I got them $300 less than retail. Like, can you even imagine that? Like the hottest shoe out right now, and I got it for below retail. Oh my god, it was such a steal. And you know, when I first checked these out on the website, they did have most sizes, and I kid you not, as the days went by, less shoes were available, well, less sizes were available, and I started getting, you know, nervous, because I was like, you know, I kind of wanted to wait it out. And don't wait out anything that you're excited about, okay? Just go ahead, take the plunge, go ahead and get it, because I do not regret it, especially seeing that these are so hard to get now. They're sold out everywhere. Like I saw them at Nordstrom, I saw them at was it Louisa Via Roma. They're sold out there. These shoes have a very small fine strap with the V logo, their signature logo. It has a very narrow tab here in the back. So with these, I am a little scared, you know, because I do have to adjust the strap to like the shortest little notch here, because my ankles are very small. And that alone, and with it adjusted to that, I still have a little bit of space in there, still a little bit of room, and I need to feel secure, especially if I'm going to be that high off the ground. I need security, okay? And not to mention, like, the shoe depth inside, it's not deep. I mean, most shoes aren't deep, but I think for me, with it being really high, it makes me very nervous. So with that given, I'm just like very concerned about the wear of these shoes. They are a gorgeous shoe, like, don't get me wrong, like I don't regret buying these, and I haven't heard any complaints yet about the wear on these, so I'm guessing that they're decent to walk in. Haven't walked in them yet. I'm just hoping that it's sturdy enough. I'm not tall, you know, so I don't think that I'm gonna have much like. And these do have a 6.1 inch heel with a 2.2 platform. Gorgeous shoe. And I know what you're probably thinking, like, well, if you're scared of heights, or if you're scared of high shoes, why are you going to get platforms? They're gorgeous though, you know what I'm saying? Like, I do have another pair of platforms and I love them, so I went ahead and got these. But like I said, it's the strap I'm really scared of. So if anyone is interested in getting these, if you can, try them on. I would definitely suggest trying them on. Now on the try on, yes, the toe box is pretty small and it is a narrow shoe. Even for my foot, which is, I think I have a pretty narrow foot, but this little side piece here dug into my foot a little bit. I don't know if with where it'll give a little bit, but that is the one first discomfort that I noticed. Well, that's the only discomfort that I really noticed was this little piece here, because it almost like comes in a little bit. I don't know if you can see, it does. These platforms do come in several colors. I think they come in 5 colors. They have the ivory, black, orange, pink, and burgundy. Those are the colors that I've seen so far. Now, I did see that Valentino did like a sneak peek of, I guess, their future collection for the, is it the fall winter? I think it's the fall winter, where they have like a zebra print. That's something to keep an eye on. And that is a gorgeous shoe. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't know if I would get that. I mean, I can't speak too soon because I already want to get the orange, but I mean, given that they're releasing or they're previewing new colors or new prints, that's just something to anticipate. So if you didn't get a chance to pick these up, just like maybe hold off, try to be patient. Now with these, like I said, they are sold out everywhere. I did see that Essence has a shorter version of these, same platform kind of styling, but just a shorter heel. Now, those do look a little bit more clunky. They're not as like, I guess, slimming, because they look more chunkier with the shorter heel. But I mean, if you are someone that don't want such a high platform, you can check those out and see if you like them. I think they did have them in the black color and in the ivory. That's something to check out. Now, I did pick up these shoes from the Gaudenzi boutique, and whenever I want to hunt for anything, most times I get directed to this website called ModeSense or ModSense. What I do like about this website is that it shows you legit websites. So if you do feel like a website is sketchy or it doesn't look like they have real designer items, this is another way where I can kind of like verify or authenticate that this website is legit. So not only does ModeSense find the item for you, but it finds multiple retailers that have the same style. And sometimes they also show you, well, no, not sometimes, they do show you the available sizing. And I have used it multiple times. I feel like it's not talked about enough, for me at least. I don't know, I've never heard anyone else mention this website, and it's so useful because it's helped me locate so many items. For me at least, I always overlook it, but you know, it really came through for these Valentino platforms, because the major retailers or the more popular retailers, the shoe was sold out in most colors. And the thing with this website, ModeSense, is that it will show you retailers that are overseas, in Europe. Like, it shows you all websites, and legit websites at that. So I'm really grateful for that, and it did lead me to Gaudenzi boutique. And Gaudenzi boutique, they had a few, I didn't see any other colors, I just saw this ivory color, and they had a very small size selection when I first saw it. So I think they had sizes ranging from 37 to 40 or 41 in European sizes, and that's how I was able to snag these. I'm so happy about that. Now, pricing. I did get these $300 less than retail. Okay, not to mention I was not charged tax. I was only charged for shipping, and I don't even know if customs and duties was included in the purchase, but I didn't have to pay anything additional to that. So I kind of paid like a flat rate at that. So these did come from Italy, very fast shipping, DHL. you know, my patience kind of paid off because I was eyeing these and I held back on purchasing them to the point where they were sold out at other retailers, and then I came up on these on the Gaudenzi Boutique website. I feel like platforms will never really go out of style because they do keep coming back, and especially given the silhouette, it is a Mary Jane. Mary Jane is a very classic silhouette. I do believe that these are an investment piece because they are designer, and like I said, the silhouette, the Mary Jane silhouette with the platform, you're not going to lose any value with these. These are like a remake of their classic silhouette, the Tango. So this is called the Tango. The style itself is called Tango, but it's Tango platform, and the original is just Tango, and it's a single sole, like regular Mary Jane shoes with like a little heel, but they definitely like amplified it with this very, very, very high platform. Now, I have seen people compare this to the Giuseppe Zanotti Bebe heels and the Versace platform heels that everybody has been going crazy for. For me, at least, I prefer this style only because I feel like the Versace toe box is really broad and really wide, and like I said, I do have skinny ankles. I don't want anything like wider than my actual leg, wider than my ankle, wider than my leg. I feel like this is a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more flattering to my leg shape. And the great thing about this style too, I feel like it's very versatile, as in you could wear this with different types of clothing, like from baby doll dresses to jeans to trousers to anything, like a bodycon dress. I feel like this can go with just about anything, and I think I made a really great choice picking this ivory color. I'm going to run these down into the ground. I'm just hoping that I'll be able to preserve the light color without any scuffs or scratches, because the one good thing about this is that it's a patent finish, so any spills or stains that you do get on it, as long as it's not like, you know, a deep stain, like, I don't know, like a dye, but what's the chances of you getting dye on your shoes? But I feel like these are very easy to maintain. The maintenance is going to be super, super, super easy. What drew me to these shoes were like I said, the shape of it. So it does have an almond shape front on, but then when you look at it from this angle, it does look like it squares off a little bit, which I can see why people say this looked like the Giuseppe Zanotti's. And I did actually have my eyes on those first, and I don't know why I didn't go ahead and buy it. I think I was just like, you know, I thought it was going to still be there, and it sold out. And I actually did want the white or ivory color, but I'm so glad that, you know, Valentino went ahead and released these. And honestly, I feel like for the Valentino house, I mean, they've always been producing really high quality pieces, but I feel like this style definitely like propelled them to the forefront. Brands have like released some type of hot item that's kind of like put them at the forefront, and I think that this shoe is going to do it for the Valentino brand. I think these are archive worthy, meaning that you could pull this out at any time and they will still look good. I am going to come back with a review on the wear on these shoes. I'm hoping that they're just as lovely and comfortable as my Saint Laurent Bianca platform heels, and I may even pick up some of the colors. You know, the orange caught my eye, so I might have to revisit as soon as they come back in stock, of course. Yeah, so that was my unboxing of the Valentino Tango platform heels. If you did enjoy this video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, bye.